can't see. Okay, you can see me a little bit better. Yeah, so yeah, we at in Raytown. About to look at these cars. It's the intro, and I'll show you what's out here today. And ready, set, go. Leaving. Some people are leaving now, so they're getting ready to head on out. That's why I'm trying to come here early.
Up here, buy a raffle ticket, throw your hat in the ring for that, or if you want a video package with.
All right, they're getting ready to leave.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Come here.
Hey, your wall sister.
Or somebody
Tragic. Don't know what model it is, but it's a Ferrari. That for sure. Got the McLaren out. 720S. Not sure which model it is.
That would be really bad. That would be
Lamborghini right there.